RS pressure not building up. Ensure CPA is working. If MCPA not working, troubleshoot for MCPA not working. If MCPA working, ensure RAL is open. Ensure RS drain cock and CPA drain cocks are closed. Change the pantograph. Check leakage from CPA, safety valve, VEPT, RDJ and its drain cock if provided, and DJ oil separator. If there is no leakage, close RAL cock. Build up pressure for 10 minutes even if RS gauge does not indicate any pressure. Raise pantograph and close DJ. Ensure no air leakage from BV. If found leakage, operate BV by inserting ZPT key few times, put on normal and try. If unsuccessful, close air control, cut out cock and build up RS pressure. Close DJ, build up MR pressure. Open air control, cut out cock.